Hello, everyone. My name is Jinsung Kim, a student at Cornell University, and I'll be introducing our research on utilizing passive acoustic monitoring and automated detection to investigate the daily calling patterns of yellow-cheeked crested gibbons in Cambodia. To begin, our study focuses on endangered species yellow-cheeked crested gibbons in Jahoo within the Keo Seima Wildlife Sanctuary in Cambodia. Using passive acoustic monitoring and machine learning, we analyze their calls to gain insights into their behavior and help protect the species. Our first objective is focused on evaluating the BirdNet transfer learning architecture against other conventional ones. BirdNet is a deep learning architecture for automated detection we use in the study, distinguished by its training on an expansive data set comprising over 6,000 bird species, stand in contrast to models trained on an ImageNet data set. With a better knowledge of the automated detection models, and by utilizing them, our second objective is to dissect the spatial and temporal variation and calling patterns within territories of given groups. By capturing the nuances of these calls, we aim to unravel the complexities of given communication and their territorial use. Similar research exists with which firstly uses automated detection models on Hélène gibbon calls by Dufour et al. In 2021, which demonstrated high model performance for a related species. But in our study, we additionally utilized transfer learning models for the automated detection on the different gibbon, but in the same genes. Our methodology was robust, encompassing data collection via passive acoustic monitoring using SwiftOne Automated Recording Units. 10 recorders were deployed in Jahoo and have been recorded continuously in Cambodia for 1.5 years. The data was then prepared for analysis with Raven Pro, where we annotated the presence of calls, assessed the stage for our deep learning endeavors using the R programming environment and the BirdNet, a transfer learning models which runs in the Python environment. We probe into the daily patterns of given calls. In benchmarking deep learning models, we conducted a comparative analysis between BirdNet and other conventional models, including a deep layered model, ResNet 152. ResNet 152 is a high-capacity model trained on the broad ImageNet dataset and typically excels in the image classification task. Despite its complexity, ResNet 152 achieved a relatively high model performance in detecting specific gibbon calls with a recall of 0.97 against BirdNet's 0.96. Indicating its strengths and identifying true positives out of all actual calls. BirdNet excels in recognizing given calls with perfect precision score of 1 and processes the data quickly, making it ideal for large-scale monitoring tasks. Both BirdNet and ResNet 152 achieve an F1 score of 0.98. BirdNet efficiency is enhanced by its balanced threshold for call detection, whereas ResNet 152's higher threshold means it's more cautious, taking more time to ensure fewer mistakes. In our study, ResNet 152 showed relatively better performance, but slower, while BirdNet was fast and also showed similar model performance. And please note that this depends on the computing power. And for our study, Mac M2 with 12-core CPU and 30-core GPU can process 1R sound file in about 2 minutes. So we decided to use BirdNet as a processed sound file faster and had comparable performance to the ResNet 152. By analyzing abundance of the data collected with the PEM approach using BirdNet, we have some key findings from it. And passive acoustic monitoring proves to be highly effective and efficient methods for collecting audio data. In our study, we focused on two gibbon groups, each with its own territory. If you can look at the map on the right, those dots are location of deployment. And R1024 and R1060 recorders at the center of each territory, and the different color indicate different gibbon territories. Most gibbon calls were observed during the early morning hours, specifically between 5 a.m. and 7 a.m. Also, our study unveiled insights into territorial use and calling patterns of the gibbon groups, providing valuable information about their behavior. Moving forward, our automated detection process aimed to explore spatial and temporal variation in calling patterns, adding another layer to our understanding of gibbon communication. In discussing our results, it's clear that passive acoustic monitoring is a beneficial tool for studying our target species. PAM is cost-effective, saves time, and does not interfere with the gibbon's natural habitat. Our use of automated detection has made analyzing gibbon calls faster and more efficient, which is crucial for timely conservation efforts. Also, by comparing these various models, we not only refine our understanding of gibbon calls, but also contribute to the bioacoustic community at large. Our research underscore the importance of comparing various learning algorithms to ensure the efficient and effective tools are employed for conservation efforts. Lastly, we want to deliver a special thanks to the Cornell Lab of Ornithology for supporting our summer research through experiential learning grant, and also Jahoo Community and World Hope International for their support. Thank you.